Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick fix. Sorry, I have a cold, so apologize for that, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick fix if you guys have this issue, and this issue is the reduced engine power issue. This is very common with GM vehicles, Chevys, Cadillacs, GMC. Yeah, and they even put out a bulletin on this, but if you have a certain mileage on your vehicle, you might experience this issue. It'll drive a bit rough, and you're gonna get a check engine light with a code. And that code is a code for some issue with the throttle position sensor. Now I had this issue about a month ago, and I've since fixed it. It's I'll tell you guys what. You guys can either go and change out the throttle position sensor, or you guys can clean it. All right, you guys would actually need to take the throttle body out, and this is the fix for it. This is the fix for it. All right, you guys gotta have to take the throttle body out, and what happens with the throttle body is over time you get some corrosion on the throttle body itself. You get some corrosion on the throttle body itself, and what happens is the little valve that opens and closes, there's not enough air that gets through it because of the corrosion around the circumference of the throttle body. I'll tell you guys what to do as far as cleaning it. You guys can either take the throttle body out, or you can take the intake hoses off the throttle body. Okay, what you guys can do, you guys can get this. You guys can get a toothbrush or a metal, but a metal brush would probably be better, and some kind of I use a bathroom cleaner, non-scrub, it bubbles up cleaner. You spray some of it on there, you take a metal brush, and as it's foaming up, you can actually just brush the debris off of the throttle body. But it's probably better if you actually take the throttle body off of the engine, and you pretty much and it's not really a difficult thing to do, because you guys can actually take the connectors off. You can take the intake hose off, and then you guys can take the wire that goes to the mass airflow sensor and the wire that goes to the throttle body. And essentially there's 4 bolts. You guys take those 4 bolts off, and once you take those 4 bolts off, the throttle body comes out. Once the throttle body comes out, you can see in most cases that if you look inside the throttle body itself, the circumference, you see that there'll be like a blackish brownish kind of buildup of corrosion on there. All right, so what you want to do is, in these situations, is you want to clean it. You want to use a metal brush. Just scrub that off the surface of it so that it's cleaned up, and then put it back together and erase the code, and hope that this situation doesn't come back up. Now, if this situation comes back up, it could be the throttle position sensor that's the issue, and you might have to change out the whole entire throttle body. I believe that in this case, the throttle position sensor is probably connected to the throttle body. But if you guys get the engine power is reduced, message, and this is not just on just GMC, or this is not just on just trucks. It's not, it pretty much essentially on cars, trucks that GMC, Chevy, Escalade produces. And it's a very common issue, that it's a very common issue with all vehicles, but in these particular vehicles produced by GMC and Chevy, this is the message that you're going to get for GMC vehicles, which is engine power is reduced with a check engine light. And that check engine light is going to give you throw you a code for the throttle position sensor. But in most cases, you guys don't need to change out the throttle position sensor or throttle body itself. You guys can just clean it. It's a less expensive thing if you guys can clean it, and it fixes your issue. But in any case, if you guys have any questions about this, or any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff, right, guys? Hope this has helped you guys out. Take care.